In this video I have cosine to the power of 4t minus sine to the power of 4t divided by sine squared t equals to cotan squared t minus 1. So let's see how to do it. If you see here, the numerator is, if I use the difference of squares, I can use this method, difference of squares. I can say cosine to the power of 4t minus sine to the power of 4t will be equal to cosine squared t plus sine squared t multiplied by cosine squared t minus sine squared t. That's how can I write for the numerator, divided by sine squared t from here. So as you see here, cosine squared plus sine squared is always equals to 1. So I can cancel out. So I have cosine squared t minus sine squared t divided by sine squared t. So if I separate them, this one is going to be cotan squared, and here is going to be just 1 because the sine squared t divided by sine squared t. So as you see here, that's how it's proven.